ਸਮਾਜਿਕ ਅਤੇ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਕਈ ਥਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮੇਲੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਨ। ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੇਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹਾਂ, ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਮੇਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ, ਇਹ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਇਹ ਰਿਮਾਰਕਸ ਨੇ। ਆਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਿਮਾਰਕਸ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਰਿਮਾਰਕਸ ਲਿਖੇ ਨੇ। ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਲੇ ਵੱਲ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ। ਇਸ ਕਮਰੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਲਾ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦਾ, ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਦੇਖੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਹਨ ਇਸ ਮੇਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਕੁਝ ਇਸ ਮੇਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ। ਬੱਚੋ ਕੀ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਮੇਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਕੀ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?
ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਆਥਰਸ ਤੇ ਕੋਟਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ।
ਓਕੇ, ਦੱਸੋ ਬੇਟਾ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ ਫਿਰ।
Good morning, sir. My name is Nancy. I did 10th class at Government Senior Secondary Staff Smart School, Martupatiala.
Good morning, sir. I am Harsimran Kaur from 10th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Parvinder Kaur. I study in 10th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Harsimran Kaur and I am a student of 10th class. We welcome you all in today's English fair. I am participating in this activity with my whole team. And my activity name is some information about different authors and poets. There are list of some authors and poets. Nancy, open the list. And the first one is
R.K. Bryant. He was a famous Indian writer. He was born on 10 October 1906 in Chennai. He got his education from Maharaja's College, University of Mysore. He got awards like Padam Bhushan, Padam Vibhushan, Filmfare Award for his great works. He was died on 13 May 2001 in Chennai. Now second one is
Rabindranath Tagore. He was very famous Indian writer, poet and philosopher. He was Bengali. He was born on 7 May 1861 in Kolkata. His literary work is The Postmaster, The Broken Nest, Kabuliwala and The Conclusion More. Gitanjali is his poetry. He got Nobel Prize in 1931 for his work. He was died on 7 August 1941 in Jhara Shankar Thakur Bari, Kolkata. And the third one is Sudhamurti. Sudhamurti is very hardworking lady. She was born on 19 August 1950 at Shikoh. She did engineering from Vermont. She got award like a Padam Shri. She is really inspiring for today's women. And the fourth one is Krishman Singh. He was a famous writer and philosopher of India. He was born on 2nd February 1915 in Hadali in Pakistan. He got his education from St. Stephen College, King College, London and from Punjab University. He got awards like Padam Vibhushan for his literary work. He was died on 20th March 2014 at Sujan Singh Park. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.
ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ, ਅੱਗੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਾਈਟਰਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਜੀਵਨੀ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ, ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਮਾਡਲ ਦਿਖਾਏ ਨੇ। ਬੇਟਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਇਸ 'ਚ?
Story.
ਹਾਂ, ਦੇਖੋ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਨਰੇਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੱਸਣਗੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਨਰੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਨੂੰ।
Good morning, sir. My name is Mahakpreet Kaur. I study in 8th class in this school.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shivani. I study in 11th class in this school. Good morning, sir. My name is Jagdeep Kaur. I study in plus 1B class in this school.
Good morning, sir. My name is Simranjit Kaur. I study 8th class in this school. We welcome you all in today's English fair. My whole team is going to present a very interesting story. That is The Clever Fish. Now let's start. Once there was fisherman.
He went to a port fishing. He threw his net into the river and sat there to wait.
After some time, he bowed the net out of the water. He thought he will got lot of fish.
But alas, there was only a tiny fish in the net. He was very sad.
But what is this? The tiny fish started talking to him. Oh fisherman, please, please, please leave me.
It said again, if you leave me back in the water, I bring my friends to the bank, so that when you come next time, you have much more fish.
Wow, that is not bad. Tomorrow I will got lot of fish because of this tiny fish.
Let it go into the river again. The tiny little fish swam happily into the river, never to come back.
Moral of the story is, you have to be really clever to save your life from such challenging moments.
Thank you. Have a great day.
ਅੱਗੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ, ਇਹ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ
Good
ਅੱਗੇ
morning, sir. My
name is Komaldeep Kaur. I study in plus 2 class at Government Senior Secondary Self-Smart School, Madhuri district, Patiala.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jasmine. I study in 7th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sukhmanpreet Singh. I study in 8th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Munjo Singh. I study in 7th class.
Today we are participating in this English fair. Our activity name is forming new words. Sir, may I start my activity?
यस बेटा।
Okay, I will. Manjot, your first word is able. Please hurry up. Sukhman, it's your turn. Your first word is beer. Your next word is ear. Now, Shivju, your turn. Your first word is cake.
ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਕਰਵਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਾਲ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ 2-3 ਟੀਮਸ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਕਰਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਰਡਸ ਮੇਕਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇਗੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕੁ ਬੱਚੇ ਵਰਡ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਰਡ ਦੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਦੇਖੋ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਰਡ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ। ਬੇਟਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ?
Good morning, sir. My name is Harpreet Singh. I study in 8th A class at Government Senior Secondary Self-Smart School, Madhu and district Patiala.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mandeep Singh. I study in 7th class. Good morning, sir. My name is Dipti Singh. I study in 8th class.
We welcome you in today's English fair. Our activity name is action words. May I start, sir?
ਯਸ ਬੇਟਾ।
Okay, we will start. Friends, take your positions. Clap your hands. Sleep. Listen.
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਰਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਸਕੂਲ 'ਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਾਓ, ਜਿਸ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਰਡ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਕੁ ਕਲਾ ਹੈ। ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਕੁਝ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ ਵਰਡ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਰੂਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਨੇ। ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਇਹ ਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਬੇਟੇ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਇਹ?
Good morning, sir. My name is Poonam Rani. I study in 10th class in this school. Good morning, sir. My name is Iman. I study in 8th class.
Good morning, sir. My name is Anmol Kaur. I study in 8th class in this school. We welcome you all in today's English fair. Our activity name is generally confused words. So let's start.
The first word is break. Break means to divide into two. This चीज दो अलग अलग भागों में वंडना। ब्रेक एन एम्प्टी टू चेक स्पीड। मोटरसाइकिल साइकिल या और भी वाहनों की ब्रेक लगाना।
बहुत अच्छा बेटा।
नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज डियर। डियर इट मीन्स एन एनिमल। हिरन एक जानवर है। डियर इट मीन्स बिलव प्यार। सीमा रानी इज माय डियर फ्रेंड।
Thank you. Have a nice day.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ। ਅੱਗੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਟੰਗ ਟਵਿਸਟਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਬੱਚੇ, ਇਹ ਟੰਗ ਟਵਿਸਟਰ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਹ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਆ। ਦੇਖੋ ਟੰਗ ਟਵਿਸਟਰ ਲਿਖੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਟੰਗ ਟਵਿਸਟਰ ਇਹ ਜੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੇਲਾ ਦੇਖਣ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਵਾ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਟੰਗ ਟਵਿਸਟਰ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਵਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ। ਬੇਟਾ ਸੁਣਾਓ ਕੋਈ ਟੰਗ ਟਵਿਸਟਰ।
Good morning, sir. I am Akvinder Kaur from 10th A class in this school.
Good morning, sir. I am Meenakshi from 10th A class.
Good morning, sir. I am Kamini from 10th A class. Good morning, sir. I am Ashmi Kaur from 10th A class.
Today with my whole team I welcome you in the English fair. Our activity name is tongue twister. Now let's start it. First tongue twister is whether the weather be fine or whether the weather be not, whether the weather cold or whether the weather be hot, whether whatever the weather like it or not. Thank you. Have a great day.
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਟੰਗ ਟਵਿਸਟਰ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਹੈ। ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਨੈਕਸਟ ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਆਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ। ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਰੂਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇੱਧਰ ਵੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਬੜੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ ਨੇ। ਆਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਤਿਆਰ। बेटा की किता होया तुसी तैयार इस एक्टिविटी च?
I am Harman Kaur. I study in the 10th B class at Government Senior Secondary Self Smart School, Madu, Patiala.
Today we are participating in English Fair. My activity name is Parts of Speech and these are my activity members. Parts of speech is very important to learning English language.
We are explaining our activity with the help of this train. There are 8 parts of speech in English. The first one is the noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. For example, this is a train. Train is a noun. Second one is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that used at the place of noun. For example, train is very big. It is my train. In second sentence, it is a pronoun. Third is verb. Verb is an action word. For example, I am speaking, you are listening. Speak and listen are 2 action words.
Fourth one is adverb. A word which qualifies a verb, adverb or adjective. For example, the train runs. How it runs? It runs slowly. It runs fast. Now, slowly, fast are adverb. The fifth one is adjective. Adjective is a word which qualifies a noun. For example, long. The train is very long. Now, sixth one is preposition. Preposition is word which show the relation between 2 nouns. For example, the toy train is on the table.
Now the 7th one is conjunction, a word which joins 2 words or sentences. For example, Hari and Sham are best friends.
The last one is interjection. Interjection shows sudden feelings. For example, wow, what a beautiful train.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
ਤੇ ਅਗਲੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਆ ਦੇਖੋ ਉੱਪਰ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਰਿਡਲਸ। ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਇਹ ਰਿਡਲਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੇਲਾ ਦੇਖਣ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mandeep Kaur from plus 1 class in this school. Today, our activity name is Fun with Riddles.
It is a very interesting activity. Sir, may we start this activity?
Yes. First of all, what is a riddle? A riddle is a statement or question having a double or hidden meaning. Think of a riddle as a language puzzle. Riddles are the good way to improve your understanding of the nuisance of English.
Will you participate in this activity, sir?
Yes.
There are 6 riddles on this chart. You can choose any riddle. No, please choose.
This one.
What are 2 things people never eat before breakfast?
No, please try it.
Dinner and lunch?
Yes. Good. That's good.
Yes. True.
Will you try again?
What has many keys but can't open any door?
Please try.
Hanji, right.
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਹ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਰਿਡਲਸ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਅੱਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੋਰ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mandeep Kaur. I study in 10th A class at Government Senior Secondary Self Smart School, Madu. My story name is The Monkey and the Crocodile. So may we start?
ਯਸ ਬੇਟਾ।
A monkey lived on apple tree.
He ate those red apple daily.
He was very healthy.
A crocodile came there.
He demanded juicy berries. The monkey gave him some apples.
The crocodile asked for some for his monkey wife.
The crocodile's wife ate those juicy apples.
She grew curious to taste the monkey's heart.
She forced the crocodile to back and started his journey. Monkey sat on the crocodile back and started his journey.
When they reached in the middle of the water, the crocodile told the plane to monkey.
The monkey got an idea of mind. He said the crocodile that he had left his heart on the apple tree. The crocodile was so silly. The monkey came back to the tree.
The monkey at the once and saved his life.
The moral of the story is don't lose heart in the time of crisis. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਨਰੇਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੱਸੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ। ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਬੇਟਾ ਕੀ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਇਸ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ?
Today's activity is models. A model is a type of auxiliary verbs that is used to express possibility, ability, permission, and request.
It is also used with main verb. We explain our activity with the help of this chart. So let's start.
So here we have some examples. With the use of these examples, we can make our activity interesting. So the first example is, you dash go to school at 7 a.m.
I tell you the answer. The answer is will.
You will go to school at 7 a.m.
Dash I take your car for today.
I will show you the answer.
Can I take your car for today?
Dash I come in, sir?
So the answer is may.
May I come in, sir?
The next example is he dash drive a car.
The answer is
Can. He can drive a car.
the ninth example is it dash rain today.
The answer is may.
It may rain today. And the last example is he dash play cricket. The answer is
Used to. He used to play cricket.
may is used to take formal permission and to show possibility.
Can is used for ability and for informal permission.
Thank you. Have
Have
a
a
nice
nice
day.
day.
एक एक्टिविटी लेके आए ने
Good afternoon, sir. I am Ekut Kaur. I am studying in 8th standard.
Good morning, sir. I am a student of 9th B class in this school. I welcome you today's English fair. I am tell you something about compound words.
What is compound words?
A compound word is a union of two or two more words, either with or without any hyphen.
I have some examples.
These have a word, two words. Both have two different meanings. When we combine these two words, get we different answer. Sun and light, sunlight. Foot and ball,
Football,
tooth and brush,
toothbrush,
star and fish.
starfish.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
ਜੋ ਅੱਗੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨਾਉਨ ਦੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਬੱਚੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ
Good morning, sir. My name is Gurlal Singh. I am a student of 9th class in Government Senior Secondary Self Smart School, Madu, Patiala.
Good morning, sir. I am Samarpreet Singh, student of 9th A class. We welcome you all in today's English fair.
My team member tell you something about noun.
Noun is a name of person, place, animal, or thing.
There are 5 types of noun: common noun, proper noun, material noun, abstract noun, and last one is collective noun.
First one is collective noun. First one is common noun. There are 3 examples of common noun: pen, school, table.
Second one is proper noun. There are 3 examples of proper noun. First one is Patiala, second one is Amul Butter, and third one is Dr. Abdul Kalam.
Third one is material noun. For example, iron, silver, soil.
Fourth one is abstract noun. There are 3 examples of abstract noun. First one is anger, second one is sympathy, and last one is kindness.
And last one is collective noun. There are 3 examples of collective noun: heart, bouquet, bunch of grapes. Noun has 5 types, but we will emphasize only on collective noun.
What is collective noun?
Collective noun is addresses for collection of people, things, and animals, etc.
There are so many examples of collective noun. So first one is bunch of the keys. It is a example of collective noun.
This is not example of collective noun because it is example of common noun.
ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਉਨ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਇਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਹ
Good afternoon, sir. We all are students of 12th class of Government Senior Secondary Self Smart School, Maru, Patiala. We welcome you all in today's English fair. We are going to represent our activity on amazing facts about English. So let's start. Jaskirat, do you know who is the father of English?
Yes, Geoffrey Chaucer is the father of English. Bookkeeper and bookkeeping are the only 2 words in English language with 3 consecutive double words.
Next fact is very interesting fact of English and it is my favorite also. So listen carefully. All together is written separated and separated is written all together. Almost is the longest word in English with all the letters in alphabetical order.
Shortest sentence in English language consists of only 1 word and which is just go. India is the world's second largest English speaking country. The word rhythm is the longest word without a vowel.
Goddessship is a word in English language with a triple letter.
A pangram, a sentence which contains every letter in English language. And most, do you know an example of pangram?
Yes, I know. A quick brown fox jumping over the lazy dog. So these are the amazing facts about English. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
ਇਹ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਫੇਅਰ ਤਿਆਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਆਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਈਆਂ ਨੇ।